Trabaho Kabalen, welcome to Wern, Pampanga guys. For today's video, napuntahan po natin, nabisita natin ang isang 24-hour Korean restaurant dito po sa may Cutcut, Angeles City. So ito po ang Dwaeji Galbi Restaurant. Surprisingly guys, ito palang lugar na to, nadadayo siya coming from Bulacan, Tarlac, outside Pampanga actually. Because they are also popular in like TikTok and their Facebook. So that's a good sign. That's a good news. Guys, pinateam nila sa atin ang mga bestseller nila. Actually, pagpunta nyo po dito, if you're gonna check their menu, parang marami yan mga sets of dishes. No? So like for example, so yung una titikman natin, yung set B. Ito yung isa sa mga bestsellers po nila. So it has 4 different kinds of food or dishes inside. The first one, ito po, ayan. So yung tawag nila dyan ay jjajangmyeon. White noodles and black sauce, para siyang ganun. Meron din tayong jampong, which is a popular seafood soup. Right, so meron din tayo, included dun sa set nila is the tansuyuk, which is ito yung parang breaded pork nila. And then mandu. Alright, we're gonna taste first itong kanilang jampong. So it's good that it's still, you know, steaming. Pero syempre, ayoko rin masyado yung sobrang init. Dahil di natin kaya yon. We're gonna try our best dahil titikman natin lahat to. So next guys is their mandu. Ito siya. So ito guys, meron siyang dip, which is this one. So ito yung kanilang kimchi jjigae. That one's hot. Init. Let's try it again. So siguro yung spiciness level niya is around 7 out of 10. Pero it's good. Now you can eat while it's hot, while it's spicy. Talagang added excitement yun pag kumakain. So ayun guys, nasabi ko kanina, this is one of my favorite Korean dishes. Ito yung kanilang bulgogi. Just a little bit of information. So si bulgogi is like sweetened beef na may konting alat with glass noodles and onions and a lot more. So yeah, let's eat. Woo! So, lagyan natin ng konting rice because parang mag-amplify pa talaga dun sa lasa niya. Right, so next soup is called jadol doenjang. So basically, it's a beef soup. It has a mix of meat, tofu, mushrooms, and of course, yung beef natin. Okay, let's try it. Wow! Right. So yung lasa niya is a little bit, para sa akin, a little bit blunt comparing it from the previous two soup, no? So for this one, I think you're gonna add some kimchi, some of the side dishes para talagang mas umapaw yung lasa niya. Okay, so let's try naman yung kanilang mga noodles. Right after tasting yung kanilang mga soup, which are super spicy and, you know, mix of different flavors. This one's more parang mellow. It could be na right after, you know, you tried yung mga super spicy, you clean your palate with this one. So it's a good mix. So next guys is their egg roll, or in Korea it's geranmari. Yeah, so let's taste it without anything. Ito, lagyan natin siya ng onion. Just like that. just like that, let me proceed with their mga samgibsal or mga grilled meat. Samgibsal or the usual, you know, grilled pork belly. Let's put some sauce on it. Alright. Alright, so last to taste guys, itong Jeyuk Brukyum. Hindi naman to yung save the best for last. Dahil we're still gonna enjoy it with my family, but for the sake of the, you know, showing you guys, and we're gonna try it with a little bit of rice pa, di ba? Alright. Ooh. Right, so there you have it guys, another restaurant for you to check out. And we would like to thank Dwaeji Galbi Restaurant for inviting us. Just to let you know po, again guys, they are 24 hours, 7 days a week. So that's 24/7. They are also available po sa Grab app, or you can check out po yung fan page or the number we're gonna be including in this post for the direct order dito sa restaurant. So they also have, you know, a restaurant rider that could deliver to your doorstep. So thank you. This is so satisfying, and hopefully guys, you could check this out. Dito po yan sa may Cutcut, Angeles City, and wow, sarap na experience. Thank you so much for watching. We're from Panga. Till the next exposure. Cheers.